REDARC has been making gear right here in Australia since 1979. That's decades of Aussie ingenuity building gear for the toughest conditions on Earth. But we don't just build here. We design, develop and test our gear too. All right here, all in-house. We shake them, bake them and push them to their limits. Because when the Outback is Outback, we know what it takes to survive where others can't. Backing Australian made means you're backing quality, reliability and gear you can depend on no matter what. And with local support and parts that are actually available all under the same roof, real help isn't far away. Trusted in the bush and under bonnets by fleets, FIFOs, four-wheelers and fireys. When you see this, it's not just quality you can count on, it's gear made here, proven everywhere.